So how do you use the Buenos Aires metro system? The Buenos Aires metro system is pretty decent. It's very, very affordable. The price currently at the time of recording is 125 Argentine pesos per journey. So that's roughly around like 15 US cents, about 12 Euro cents, about 10 UK pence. So it's very, very affordable for a one-way journey. However, inflation in Argentina is absolutely massive, so prices always change. So the prices could be different at the time when you're watching this video, but for now they're pretty decent for now. But how do you use the metro system in Argentina? Because you can't just purchase a one-way ticket or use, for example, your contactless credit or debit card like you can in London, where you can just use your contactless card which gets you through the barriers. You can't do that in Argentina. You have to purchase something called a Sube card, and the way you do that is you head down to one of the metro stations, you go to the till where there's a person at the till, and you ask them for a Sube card. And that Sube card currently will cost 880 pesos at the moment. Again, inflation is so big there, so it could be different at the time when you're watching this video, but at the time of recording it's 880 pesos, and you want to top up that card with the amount of money that you want to use for your journey. So as I said before, at the time of recording it's 125 pesos for a one-way journey. So you can put on a couple of thousand pesos, for example, if you're going to be in Buenos Aires for a few weeks, and that should be enough to see you through for all of your metro journeys throughout your time in Buenos Aires. This is a very important point. You cannot pay for your Sube card with a debit or credit card, and you cannot top up your Sube card with a credit or debit card. You must pay for your Sube card in cash, and you must top up your Sube card in cash in Argentinian pesos. But who knows, maybe in the future this may change. Maybe in the future, like London, you'll be able to use a credit or debit card to top up your metro card in Buenos Aires, but at the moment you can't. You can only use physical cash to top up and purchase your Sube subway card in Buenos Aires. And also, just a quick little message before I do finish today's video, do go to the description and also the comment section too. You will see lots of links there to different travel products, different other types of products. For example, you can book a city tour of Buenos Aires using that top link, and you can also purchase your flights to Argentina using the Skyscanner link. Skyscanner is the best flight comparison website in the world. You can also buy your luggage and your suitcase and your backpacks using the level 8 link. There's a link to where you can do that again in the description in the comment section. You can also get travel insurance, digital nomad insurance as well, using those links in the description. So do check them out. I do get a little small commission if you do use those links to book your flights, book your accommodation, or to book your luggage. So I do hope that they are of use to you. And I do hope that this video has been useful to you, especially if you are planning a trip to Argentina or Buenos Aires. If it has been useful, please do click the like button, really just help out the channel and the video. And also do subscribe for some more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.